Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you an update as to my current condition. It's been exactly 3 weeks since my left leg total knee replacement. And you can see I'm not very chipper today, and that's because I'm really tired out. Since I've had the operation, I believe I have a thing called restless leg syndrome. You can look that up on Google, but I haven't officially been diagnosed as this, but I believe that's what it is. And what basically it is that you don't feel comfortable with your leg no matter what you do. Typically, it says that you always want to keep it moving. I don't know if I want to keep it moving, but I can't sleep well with it. I haven't slept really well on my bed at all. In fact, I've only slept on my bed 2 or 3 times since the 3 weeks. I typically sleep on this recliner chair that you see me sitting on because it's just easier. It's an automatic recliner, so I can lift my leg up and down. I can get up and go to the washroom if I need to, that type of thing. So my wife has been asking that I just go back onto the bed, but the minute I lay down on the bed, my leg just feels like it's got to move to another position, and no matter what you do, you can't get comfortable. So I don't get a whole lot of sleep when I'm sleeping on the bed. Not that I do well even sleeping on this recliner chair, but it seems to be better than on the bed. So the knee's got its own issues, but the leg issue, I think sometimes I feel like that's worse than the knee issue. So I don't know if this is a common thing for people with knee replacements, but it is something you should be aware of if you ever decide you want to do this yourself as well. Now, as far as my progress, I'm a little nervous about this. In 3 weeks, I believe I should be at least at a 90-degree bend or more. And going to the physical therapists, I seem to be only around 75 degrees. Now, they did tell me that typically the doctor will make a determination next time you see him whether they're going to do something about that. Now, scar tissue happens inside your leg as you finish up with the knee replacement, and that's what's preventing you from bending. So you have to kind of work at that, and I have been working at it, maybe not as much as I should, but at 75 degrees, that's not enough. The doctor had told me before he wants at least 90 and preferably as much as 118 to 120 degrees. So I'm way off at this point. So what do? They knock you out with anesthesia, and then they manipulate the leg. They essentially will bend that thing until it hits the degrees that they want. Now, you won't feel anything when you're knocked out, but the minute you wake up, you will feel that. So I am not thrilled with that prospect possibly happening. And I have a gut feeling that's what they're going to end up doing to me because I don't think I can hit that 90 degrees within a couple of days. I don't think that's going to happen. Now, the last sessions that I've had, one of my physical therapists, he is bending my leg. Now, that hurts. They do a pain scale up to 0 through 10, 10 being the worst. And I will tell you, when he bends that thing, I'm a 10 plus. I mean, I was literally begging for mercy to have him stop pushing on that thing because it hurts that bad. It is really bad. It is the worst I've ever felt in any kind of pain. And so does that improve it? I don't know. I'm going to go in again today, and we'll see if it actually has improved more than 75 degrees or not. I'm not going to hit 90 degrees. I'm going to tell you that right now. It's not going to happen. I mean, it's 15 more degrees. Doesn't sound like a lot, but believe me, that's a lot when you can't bend it. So I'm a little depressed today about it all. My physical therapist appointment will be at 3 o'clock p.m. today, and we'll see where we go. But yeah, it's not good. Anyways, I wanted to give you guys that update. I'm going to try to get a little cat nap on this recliner. I get up early in the morning when my wife gets up as well, so I'm usually up around 5 o'clock. It's about 6:35 a.m. right now. I'm going to go back and try to get a little bit of sleep. and then do my normal routine of exercising the leg and everything, just to get in preparation to go to the physical therapist so he could push some more. This is tough. I'm telling you, this is not easy. It's got me thinking about that right leg, whether I even want to really do it because it's so bad. So anyways, stay tuned. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that bell icon because that'll let you know by notifications when the next videos come out from me. Talk to you guys next time.